What's going on, guys? Vlad the Prophet here, and today in this video we're going to cover how to make an eye-catching thumbnail for your junk removal company that will not only be straight and to the point, but will also get clicks, which will ultimately turn over into income. Now, it's very important to stand out from the crowd and be the one golden fish in the dull sea, because there's going to be a lot of competition, and your potential customer is going to have a lot of options to pick from, and you want to make sure that they're going to be clicking on your ad as opposed to theirs. So the best way to do that is to have a very effective visual image, and once they click into your ad, then your description will also help a lot. But we're not going to be covering the description in this video. We're simply going to be covering how to make a visually appealing graphic that will get plenty of clicks and that will ultimately convert and make you money. So without any further ado, we're going to go into the video. I used a free online website called Photopea. Link in the description down below. But essentially it's a free Photoshop, and you guys can slow the video down if you like and then go step by step with how I created this ad. But it's very important that you step up the graphics game nowadays, because the old text pictures, they no longer work. The old generic pictures of a guy hauling junk or something like that doesn't work anymore as effectively. So another disclaimer too, Craigslist, I would not recommend to be your number one source of advertising for your business. But as I started from the bottom, I use Craigslist a lot. So this is more so for people who are starting up their business. Once you get to the next level, that's when you can start looking into like Google ads and so on and so forth. But when you're starting at the very bottom and you don't have a lot to work with, you got to make the best of what you got. So that's what this video is all about. So let's get into it. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe, comment down below, and also let me know if it, in a month or 2 or 3, let me know if you're starting to see some ROI. So guys, this has been Vlad the Prophet with yet another educational video. And of course, I'll catch you in the next video.